I really love shooting with nature. It is what makes me feel most connected to reality, to my story, to myself. Even though sometimes it is uncomfortable. We spend so much time making excuses for why we don't do something. We prefer things to be easy and safe. But this is why I endure the feeling of a dirty feet. The scratches and bruises, the mud, sting of insects, the uncomfortable, the painful. It is what makes it memorable when I'm connected to my process, that I create more meaningful for my art, that I create through the uncomfortable, so I can feel more. As we welcome this new year, I want to make something that represents how my life has been. A representation that is so bold, it's the first thing I think of when I look back on my 2019. To live and die 1,000 deaths. To be so willing to die in favor of change and growth. And in that dormancy grow beautifully, embodying a new person, someone stronger, braver, even bolder to face the new sun. But with that so much meaning and inspiration I get from my art, I heard people saying that my art is depressing and dark and sad, and I am a reflection of my art. But in my heart of hearts, I'm a happy person. I am filled with light and joy and happiness. But that doesn't matter to me. This is about creating art for myself and finding that small group of people who will connect to it. I believe there is beauty in darkness, but you need to have the courage to find it. And so I'm making this art. It may be disturbing, it may be inspiring, but I'm creating it and I'm not gonna look away. I want you to know that it is okay to fail. It is okay to be sad. It is okay to feel. Some people refuse to their sadness, that they try to suppress it, almost erasing it, because they are afraid to feel. But I'm giving myself the permission to face it. Not to ever suppress it, but to allow myself to feel whatever emotions I may have. And that is what inspires me, because pain is what gives me strength. I want to be there for it. I am truly grateful to be given this freedom I've always wanted when I was young. I keep on searching and searching for things I may never found. But I found freedom in myself, in my art. My voice will no longer be silenced, and I will continue to use this gift to inspire, connecting and moving people with my art. I will, for freedom, for art. And I might fail 1,000,000 times, I know, but still I rise for dear life and fail again one last time. You will watch me rise and fall like a phoenix dying in a show of flames, gracefully turning into dust and rising back again, stronger, smarter, and even more powerful. I want to thank you for dreaming with me, for following your voice, for using that freedom one might not even know what's the meaning of. This is for you and me, who fought hard for their dreams, who have failed but never stopped, who are constantly seeking for their passions in life. I am so proud of you.
I've heard a story, I've heard it said, I've come to believe that love is a bet. Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose, and sometimes it calls you right in the move. Come to my table, come to my bed.